Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you watch an ad in Block Blast but now it won't take you back to the game and you're stuck staring at the screen? Here's the fix. First, closely look at the corners of the ad screen for a small X or close button since on certain ad formats the close button appears after a short delay and it is positioned in an unusual spot, so give it a moment before assuming that it is completely frozen. If there is generally no close button and the screen is stuck, you'll need to force close Block Blast completely from your recent apps, reopen it, and then game progress from before. The ad should still be there since it auto saves your boot state. To stop this from happening as often, then go ahead to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, find Block Blast to the list of apps, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store, search for Block Blast and then reinstall it fresh from here to clear a corrupted ad cage. Also, go to your settings and go back to general, go to software update and check for any pending iOS update. If it is there, install it since outdated iOS versions are common trigger for ads not closing properly. So all you've got to do is look for the delete close button first, then force it genuinely stuck. Your progress is saved and that's it. After I reinstall to reduce how often it happens, subscribe.